3 years, and this cheap stick burner's done. The firebox is disintegrating and ready to fall off. The cook chamber door never even came close to a good seal. Hi, I'm Brian, and I like barbecue. Time has come to build our own offset barbecue, a stainless steel barbecue. Cook chamber and firebox from 20-inch Schedule 10 316 pipe, polished to a mirror finish. So much polishing. For the stand, I'm using box section that also requires polishing. Frame, cooker and firebox tacked together. At this point, we can start welding. The choke on the firebox door has sprung tension holding it against the door for a good seal for better fire management. In the firebox, I've added an inner layer to help the ash and embers to collect in the ash tray. Made some heavy-duty hinges for the fire door and added a gasket. We cut the cook chamber door out and welded flange to the inside of the cook chamber so the door will sit flush and make a good seal. And we've added a handle to help open the door. We've made up a rod for adjusting the exhaust flow, which is how you adjust your temperature. Door handle latch is added to the fire door. All the cooking racks are also scratch built to fit from stainless steel. The closed-in cabinet under the cook chamber will be great for resting or storage when not in use. No big gaps for unwanted pests to get in. Ideal. They've used magnetic catches to hold the doors shut. The cooker door is also gasketed and TrueTel temperature gauges have been installed. So, that's enough talk, it's time to start barbecuing.
Thank you.